It's a swap meet flip, and it's been a fantastic couple of days flipping items. This one specifically because these are tiny, small items that can be easily packed, easily shipped, and what makes it even better is they're cheaper to ship. Anyway, let's get started with showing you what we sold. This is a universal power supply. I'm sad to say this is my last and fourth power supply that I bought for just $1. It was brand new in the box. Check that out. And this can be used for pretty much anything that you want. Used usually for wheelchairs and skateboards and things like that. Anyway, bought this for $1 and it sold for $34.95. That's 34 times or 35 times the value. Next is this Skynet 24 volt power supply, another power supply. These are actually medical grade power supplies. They're 24 volt at 6 amps. Bought this for $2 and it sold for $20. That's 10 times the value. The next one is this 1982 Herb Alpert Fandango LP. It was brand spanking new with a plastic over it. Found it in a box. So went through it and checked it out. Bought it for $1 and it sold for $19.99. Next one are these two items. This is a Luxe Color Changing Foundation for women. Bought these for $2 a piece. I bought actually another set with another vendor for $2 a piece. But guess what? $2 turned it into $37.99 a piece. Multiply that by 2. That's 19 times the value that we bought it for. Man, that is fantastic. Check that out, huh? And then this one is a Adams Blue Dixx training aid. This is a computer for a putter. This actually, it connects to a putter, and what it does is it shows you movements. Check it out. Checks out movements of the putter. It's a training aid, and it helps you putt better. Doesn't help me putt better, but it'll help someone else putt better. Anyway, bought this for a measly $4 and it sold for $95. That's 23 times its value. And the last piece that we've sold is this Autoloc linear actuator. This is a heavy duty actuator, brand spanking new. Check that out. This is the LA8 heavy duty linear actuator. So it moves about 8 inches. They use this in pickup trucks and things like that. Things that you have to move a long way. So again, this is a fantastic find at $10 and it sold for $100. Man, that is a great return for all of these products. We bought all of these for $22. That's it. And we turned it around and flipped it to $345.92. Check that out. That is how much you could make out of small little items. $1, $2, less than $10, and you could make a big profit. All right, so hopefully you guys liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel so I could show you more. Join it, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. All right, hopefully you liked that video, and if you did, subscribe. Thanks. I'll see you guys on the next video.